Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, we will solve another Power BI interview question which may be asked in your interview as well. So the question is, the interviewer asked, we have a card visual of sum of sales and we have a filter of country. So this card visual displays the sum of total sales which is 433,000 for all the countries, and if we click on India, this will show the sum of sale for India only, which is 56,000. For Japan it is 25,000. So the interviewer asked, how can you set a default card visual which will show the total sale only for India, which is 56k, when nothing is selected in this filter? Right now we can see that this shows by default all the total sales of all the countries, and the interviewer don't want to see this. The interviewer want to see the total sale of India when nothing is selected in this India. And if they want to see for rest of the country, they will click on the slicer and they will know about the total sales of the country. So I hope you understood the question. The question is to set a default sum of sale for India only when nothing is selected in this filter. So for this we will create a new measure. So we will create a new measure and we will uh, let's see how we can solve this question. So first of all, I am renaming this as default sales, default sales. So here now we will write the formula. So basically we will create variables here. So the first variable is, for example, I will create a variable x. Now this variable will so select value. So this selected value, what this function does, this will take an argument, and if nothing is selected in the argument, in this the second argument is the default value. So here we will select the table country. So I am selecting is as sales table country, the first argument this, and if nothing is selected, it will take India, the second argument. And now our first variable is ready, and now we will create another variable which is variable y, and now this will calculate the total sum. So we will use another sum function to calculate the sale. So sales table sales, and now we will create a, and the second argument is the filter. So we want the filter as country. For country we want to calculate the sales, and this country will be equal to what, A. And now we will close this country equal to x, which is our measure, our variable 1. And now in return we want b, y. So now let's understand the x. So variable x will select the country, and if nothing is selected in the country, this variable will take India as default value. And for the variable y, it will calculate the total sales, and the filter is for country equal to x. That means it will select the country. If nothing is selected in the country, it will take India as it is mentioned in variable x, and we want to return y. And we can see that, and if we click on this enter button, yes, our formula is correct. And now we will bring I am just copy paste, and now here I will pull the default sales of this value. Okay, and now here we can see that if nothing is selected in the slicer, it shows the default sale of India, which is 56,000. And if we click on this Japan, we can see that this is 25,000 for Japan, and here we can see that it is also 25,000 in the Japan. And Netherlands we can see that, and if nothing is selected, this will show the total sum, but the interviewer asked to show the sum of only India. So here we can see that this default card visual will show the sum of sales only for India when nothing is selected in this slicer. I hope you understood the solution and the question. Thank you for watching this video.